Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 5 real conversational sentences using a very useful structure. These sentences aren't just grammar, they are practical sentences you can use in your real life. By the end of this video, you will be able to express yourself more confidently and fluently in English. So make sure you pay attention, repeat after me, and practice these sentences. So let's get started. The company established its supremacy in the software market. I repeat, the company established its supremacy in the software market. কোম্পানি সফটওয়্যার বাজারে তার আধিপত্য প্রতিষ্ঠা করল। Our team established its supremacy in the final match. I repeat, our team established its supremacy in the final match. আমাদের টিম ফাইনাল ম্যাচে প্রাধান্য প্রতিষ্ঠা করল। Sin has established its supremacy in the global manufacturing. I repeat, Sin has established its supremacy in the global manufacturing. Sin বৈশ্বিক উৎপাদনে আধিপত্য প্রতিষ্ঠা করল। He established his supremacy in the entire project. I repeat, he established his supremacy in the entire project. সে পুরো প্রজেক্টের উপর নিজের প্রভাব বিস্তার করল। The brand established its supremacy in the smartphone industry. I repeat, the brand established its supremacy in the smartphone industry. ব্র্যান্ডটি স্মার্টফোন ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে তার আধিপত্য প্রতিষ্ঠা করেছে। That's all for the time being. If you want to create more real conversational sentences like this, then check out my structure classes. There I explain everything step by step, so you will understand exactly how to make these sentences on your own. Trust me, it will help you speak English more confidently and fluently.